Hey guys, it's Ryan again. Welcome to the investing channel. I'm jumping in on another trade here for WAXP, WAXP USDT. So I'm going to jump in on that. I'm going to quickly show you guys my indicators. I'm going to show you my entry point, my exit point. We'll calculate the profit and we will keep moving as such. That's what I do. Those of you guys that are new, I will look at coins. I'll share with you my journey when I jump into them, when I jump out, what my profit is, and I'll share with you some of the tools and ways that I look at things. So if that's something you're interested in, remember, subscribe to the channel, smack the notification bell. And if you guys are into crypto and you guys are already currently investing, give it a thumbs up below so I know what you guys are up to. And if you guys are into any coins right now and you're kind of wondering like, oh, should I stay in? Should I get out? I'll take a look at it. I'll kind of let you know what I see, and then you guys can make a decision on your own on what you want to do. Okay. So this is not advice. This is just my journey. And let's go ahead and share my screen with you guys. All right, just a second. Here we are. So we are on my trading view platform right here. We've got all the coins, and you can see throughout the day, it's primarily been a red day. You can see here there are some spotted green ones throughout, but there's times where everything in here is completely red. All at the flip of a switch, everything is completely green. So let's go down and we'll take a look at WAXP. And here's kind of how things are laying out for you. You can see the highest point that it's ever reached is 93 cents. And lately, since early December, it's kind of been just kind of chugging along here. It had a little bit of an increase up to 67 cents, but it's kind of been moving around in this area. We'll look at the RSI indicator. You can see here for December, it goes up, it goes down, it goes back up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. So there is kind of some movement here that you can kind of plan your entry points and exit points on. Right now, it's on the kind of the lower end. So I'm looking at maybe jumping in here and getting maybe around a 6% profit, maybe just under that a little bit. That's my hope. I could hold it longer, but I just want to jump into some trades to show you guys what I'm doing. And I don't mind taking little small profits and just kind of picking away and take my profit, put it in my pocket, move on to the next one. I do hold trades also. So let's go ahead and we'll go to Ichimoku Cloud. All right, let's see here. Blow this up a little bit more. Okay, you can see right now it's below the red cloud. I'm not too worried about that because I think for the amount of profit I'm looking at, I think I can make that. Typically what you want to do is you want to buy when it's trending upward. But I'm basing it on a couple different things here. You'll see here the last MACD indicator was an upward trend back here. We've got the multiple SMA line. They are getting closer. My hope is that soon, I've seen a lot of coins that it's kind of at this level right now where things are getting ready to cross. And my hope is that it will shoot upward. Now, it's been that way. The last time it crossed was over here on December 4th, so the beginning of the month. But I have a feeling that in January, I'm hoping that things are going to start to move upward now that we're in a new year and people are kind of on to new things. Let's see. Here's my other strategy right here. You can see that typically what happens, and I've told people in the past, is on these bases that once they get cracked, it will usually more often than not come back up and swing back up. Here it cracked, came all the way down, lingered for a while, and came back up. Here cracked, came back up. So there are times where it cracks and it doesn't come back up, or maybe it comes back up, but maybe I'm already out of the trade by then because I'd rather quickly take my loss, jump into other trades and start making, $50, $100, $200 within a couple of days and just get back up. I don't, when I jump out of a trade, I don't view it like I'm losing money because that I'm viewing it like the money's just kind of coming to me, and I want my odds to be more green days than red days. And so if I lose on a day or if I have to sell at a loss, in the whole grand scheme of things, I'm ahead. And that's what I look at. I don't look at what my profits are until the end of the month, and then I calculate everything out. And if I have to jump out of a trade, typically I used to jump out and I used to sell at a loss. But what I'll typically do is I'll wait a while. I might even wait a month. And then if I need to, I'll jump back in. on that same coin, I'll buy low, and then I'll analyze the two entry points and exit points, and I'll make sure that I set my take profit on the second trade a little bit higher, so that when they average out, I get a little bit of a bump on that rather than a negative, rather than a red day. Okay, so here we are. We're at 40, let me write this down, 45 cents on WAXP. And my view is that I'm going to kind of try to get out around, right around at this base right here. I'm going to get out probably around 48.21, maybe just above it, hoping that it's going to break again. So let me write that down. 48. Okay, I'll go up a little bit on that. I'll just throw in a number. And then, okay, we'll calculate the profit. And WAXP, I'm going to jump in around 45 was, let's see, it's at 46. Okay. God, it's already gone up a little, 46. And I'm going to get out around 48. I'll just do 65. And I'm going to put in 500 on this one. I have been usually putting 1,000 down, but I'm going to do a couple small entry points. So I'm just going to stack those on 500s, spread my risk out. So let's see, I'll do 1,000. What does that come out to? Oh, I got to get 500, 4,000. 2,000 or 1,000. Okay, so I'll go with 19,000 coins. I'm jumping in at roughly 46 cents. My exit is only 48 cents and 40.4865. And that's not right. That's because I need it to be 500 here. So hold on. All right, we'll just go with 1,200. So I'm going to go in with 1,200 coins. I'm going to be invested 552. My profit's only going to be 31.80, but I'm going to make 6% on my money. So if you can imagine, let me write that down. 1,200. Let's say you want to put in, we'll just make this 4,000. I know there's people playing with a lot more money. We'll put 5,000 coins. Let's say you have $2,300 and you've got plenty of money, and this is just one easy investment for you. So off $2,300, you can make 132. So the benefit here is that things stack. They start to grow quickly, and you might make a small amount on one, but over the course, as you start stacking these and you take your profits, you roll it back in and you keep buying, you get this machine working for you. And after a little while, once you get going, I think at the most I was averaging I had about 10,000 in play at any given time. And I was averaging anywhere from about 150 to 250, $300 a day profit on things. And so rather than making, some people are out there buying and they're like, I'm going to make 1% or I want to make 2%. I'm coming in here and I'm taking down 10%, 11%, 8%, 9%. There's times where I'll get 20 or 30% too. So that's what I'm going to do. Subscribe to the channel. So sorry, it's a little lengthy there. And then as soon as I take profit, I'll make another video for you guys. So please give it a thumbs up down below. That lets YouTube know that I'm putting together helpful information. Feel free to check out my other videos. I do have a video on how I created this spreadsheet, and I've got the formulas in here so it can quickly calculate for you. And here's some of the ones that have cleared already. And just in the last 2 days, I've just been jumping into trades, and I'm not worried about them. I'm not getting nervous. I'm not getting sketchy. I'll sit back and wait a month, 2 months, no problem at all. And as soon as they clear, I'll make a video for you guys. So don't get nervous. Don't overspend, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye-bye.